Hey guys, my name's CJ. In this video I'm going to show you how to change your water filter on a GE appliance refrigerator. Now when you open your door on the left side, you'll see a tag that shows the model number. I'll put a link in the description so you can order it on Amazon. Now on the far right side, you'll see the filter housing unit. Press on those two clips left and right together at the same time to drop that down. Then you're going to pull down on the filter itself, and then you're going to slowly turn it to the left. Remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey applies to just about anything in life when it comes to unscrewing and screwing things in. So it's kind of like a screw. You turn it to the left 90 degrees, you pull it out. All right, at this point, you're ready to insert your new water filter. Look at the holes on the housing unit and the cartridge so you can line it up right. You want to insert it with the arrow facing down. So go ahead and place that inside, arrow facing down, and then slowly turn that to the right. And once you have it to the right, you'll see the lines are lined up. Go ahead and push up on the filter once you know it's good, and then close your housing unit. At this point, all you need to do now is run through your water and your water line. You're going to have to do about 5 gallons worth of water or 5 minutes worth, whichever one you want to do. There will be air in the line, so just keep holding it and it will come out. You can also change out your ice and then also hold the filter button. Like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!